Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you how you can make a group video call on Viber. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. Open your Viber app, and the next thing that you want to do is tap on the message icon that you see on the screen. For me, it's on the bottom right corner. And the next thing that you want to do is tap on new group. And now just tap on the name of the person that you want to add on the group anywhere on the screen, anywhere on their name. So let's say if I want to add this person, so I'll just tap on their name. And after you finish selecting the people, just go ahead and tap on the right sign that you see on the top right. And now this group has been created, and you can come back anytime here and just edit this group. You just have to tap on the group and just select a picture, enter a group name. So just type in family or friends or anything that you like. So, and then the group name is selected. And the next thing that you can do is you can just add in a photo. You can select it from your gallery or your camera. And now that you have created this group, all you need to do is tap on the video icon that you see on the top. So now if you tap on start call, they will get a call. So I'll just hang up the phone for now. So that is how you basically make a group call on Viber. And if you want to add more people on the group, tap on the three dots that you see on the top right corner and tap on add participants and go ahead and select as many people as you like. And after you finish selecting, just go ahead and tap on the right button that you see on the top right, and that is how they're going to be added to the group. So that is basically how you can make a group video call on Viber. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new, and thank you for watching the video.